Hey, this is Sami again. It's cold out there. Victoria, BC, -10 unusual, but it's cold. So I'm all buckled up, 2 sweaters, a toque, and double pants just to stay warm. But anyways, I'm going to have a quiz for you. Try it. It's a bit tough. If you're in grade 12 and up, you should be able to do it. If you're in grade 11 and you're advanced in math, you'll be able to do it. But it's not an easy quiz. Okay, pause, wait till I finish it. What I mean, try it yourself and then come back and see what you got and is right. Also, I want to wish you happy holidays this time of the year. Happy New Year to all of you that have been watching me all this long, and keep on watching. Your support is important. Thank you. Hey, I hope some of you get the right answer. And if you haven't, just watch how it is done. I know I'm not speaking there, but you should be able to follow. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment if you like, but don't forget to share with family and friends so they could benefit. As always, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.